Anita's Guide to Simple and Easy Cooking. I'm Anita and today I will show you how to make onion bhajis. So let's get started.
I've got here 3/4 cup of chickpea flour or besan which I have sifted, some oil for frying, 2 large onions, 1/4 cup of rice flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, 3/4 cup of water, half a teaspoon of fennel seeds, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of carom seeds and 1 teaspoon of chili powder. Thinly slice your onions and put them in a dish. Take your chickpea flour, add rice flour, chili powder, garlic powder, salt, fennel seeds. Crush your carom seeds in your palm and add it to the dish and give it a quick mix. Add water little by little and mix it into a smooth thick batter. Add onions and mix it well to combine. To fry the bhajis, add about 1 inch to 2 inches of oil and heat it. You will also need to line a dish with some paper towel to absorb excess oil after frying. When the oil gets hot, drop 1 tablespoon of onion mixture at a time and fry 5 to 6 bhajis for 2 to 3 minutes or until golden brown, turning them frequently so they can cook evenly. Take them out, shake the excess oil off and drain them on some paper towel. Repeat this process until you have finished frying all the bhajis. My onion bhajis are ready and you can serve them hot or cold with your favorite sauce. Enjoy.
If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. For more of my simple and easy videos, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to receive notifications of my latest videos.